YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's Penguin. This is their above ground suction side pool cleaner. We are going to tear this thing apart and show you guys how to repair it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's Penguin. This is their above ground suction side pool cleaner. So if you guys see, I have a ton of parts already laid out in front of me. If you guys want to know how I got where I'm at right now, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got a playlist that'll walk you guys from the start to where we are right now. So for today's video, you will need to get down to this point in order to help remove the actual body of the cleaner. So my whole goal right now is to actually get this frame of the Penguin off, and then that way if you guys had it sun dried, you had issues with this is how you're going to actually be able to access the outside shell of the cleaner. So once you guys have removed the ring, you get the bottom plate out, get your turbine out. Now you're looking at removing an additional 4 screws. So again, only tool that you need for this entire cleaner is just a Phillips head screwdriver, really simple. So the 4 you're looking at are located, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll see that there are 2 additional ones on here. That's going to give you access in there to an additional gear. Again, if you guys actually need to get to that, make sure you guys stay tuned. We're going to have that video coming up. But for today's video, I'm going to remove this whole part so that you can actually get access to the shell. So bear with me, and I will go ahead and remove the screws. Said it 100 times, I'll tell you guys 100 times more in all my videos. If you guys are going to be removing screws and actually taking apart the cleaner, get to a flat surface like I am right now. Get near a table, get away from the water surface, because it's just going to help you overall not losing screws or having issues being close to the water. So highly suggest. I've also told you, always use a hand tool. Don't use an actual drill. When you're actually using a drill with these plastic parts, if you guys over tighten anything, you're going to crack it, and then it's just a whole nother disaster for you guys on replacing it and having to fix it all together. So once again, I removed those 4 screws, really small screws. So these aren't like long frame screws that you guys have had to take off, and the previous ones are like little self tappers that actually go into these 4 prongs on the actual frame itself. You'll see you actually have access here now to your top spindle gear, which will actually run most of the actual gear set that is underneath the top housing here that I just took off. So there's a little gear here that spins an internal gearbox. Again, we'll show you guys how to open this up and what you're looking at there. But for today's video, I just wanted to actually get you guys access to the body itself. As you can tell on the Penguin, its front little body, the white part of the body will come right off. So if this is all you're replacing, unfortunately you have to buy the whole shell kit in order to replace just this. But again, if you're going to buy the whole shell kit, you guys might as well do the entire thing. So really simple. Once you get everything out of it, now you have access in here. You can remove the actual head of the Penguin if you need to, because there are clips in here that actually hold this thing down. You can now change the collar color if you guys kept that. You can do all those types of things to the actual frame itself. So just want to show you guys how to get access to that. It'll actually also get you access to this top spindle gear as well. So if this is cracked where your hose connects to, that's how you're going to have to get access to that as well, is by removing absolutely everything from the inside of the cleaner first. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Again, make sure you guys stay subscribed. We're going to have more videos on this cleaner, some of the other Hayward cleaners, Pentair cleaners, Zodiac cleaners, all those nice cleaners out there on the market for you guys. So I really appreciate you guys watching. And until next time, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.